We are here at Epic Universe. It's opening weekend, so this is our part 2 video of Epic, but we're here at opening weekend. We've heard it's not too busy since opening day 2 days ago, so we're excited.
Approved.
Very good.
Yeah, man, I got a better one now. I can see.
We got a mead
And a stoic ale.
We got some eggs. This is a key lime egg. Very good.
Pick up
5 minutes. 5-minute wait?
Unchained.
It's gonna be a 10-minute wait. Nice. All right, Chris the Werewolf, 5-minute wait. Curse of the Leslie got a caramel truffle. We got macarons. Ooh, chocolate truffle. on, so fast. We're in line for Minecart Madness. 15-minute wait. Alright, we didn't get to ride Minecart Madness because there was a delay.
Boo.
Boo! Maybe later.
The monkey is down.
We're on it!
How about that?
Woo! At night. All right, end of the day, opening weekend, Epic Universe.
We are done. We did it. We are happy and woohoo.
We are tired, but it was good. We got to do a ton of stuff. There were almost no lines for anything, and we ate a ton of food and drank a lot of drinks. Yay!